Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. Today what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss is one of the best medicine or the best invention by the science for the diarrhea or the loose motions in the children. So far it has saved a number of the lives which are going to get killed by the diarrhea or the loose motions. You must be remembering that the cholera pandemic. We are in the corona pandemic. There was one time when the cholera was a pandemic. What was the cholera? In the cholera, there was lot of loose stools, lot of diarrhea, and even a single loose stool was used to cause the dehydration in the older patients as well as in the children. At that time, this medicine has worked like a wonder. This was considered as a magic medicine at that time. What is this? That I am going to discuss in this video. Watch this video till end. Before going to the actual topic, I want to announce that I am also planning to start Hindi videos for the Indian parents or the subcontinent parents. So I'm trying to reach to most of the populations like the English speaking population and the Hindi speaking population. Recently I achieved 1000 subscriber target within 1 year. I'm quite happy that I'm useful to many parents who has not access to the healthcare, or maybe they have some minor doubts for which they cannot go to the doctor. So the vision is very clear, to help the parents, to know the authentic information, to help the parents to rear the child easily without much commercial influence. I'm not going to promote any commercial promotions on my YouTube channel or any other social media. Soon maybe I'm planning to start the IGTV on the Instagram also. Let's wait and watch. Slowly we will do all these things. Thank you very much. As I discussed the magic medicine. What was that magic medicine? That is nothing. Simple. ORS. Oral Rehydration Solution. If you remember, as I told in the first video on the diarrhea, what is the problem in the diarrhea or the loose motion? Is the dehydration. If one child who is passing one stool but that is too much watery, child will get dehydration. Another child who is passing small frequent loose stools but less water, he will not get dehydration. So the most important treatment in the dehydration or a loose motion is the rehydration. How we can do the rehydration? Either we can give through the mouth, that is known as oral rehydration, or maybe we can give through the injection, that is known as the intravenous rehydration. The best one, even when you are at home, child is sick, child has passing lot of loose stools, you can start oral rehydration. Oral rehydration salt solutions. If you will see, in every countries, every pharmacy will have the ORS sachets. You can see in the picture how the ORS sachet looks like. There are two types of the ORS sachet are available. One bigger sachet which you have to dissolve in 1 liter of the clean water. Another one is a smaller sachet which you have to dissolve in 200 ml of the water. I prefer to have the big sachet so that you have the good measurement, 1 liter measurement. Nothing you have to do, you just has to wash the hand, take the 1 liter water, put into the some bucket or maybe the bowl, just put that sachet in it, stir it well, ORS is ready. Keeps on giving to the child sip by sip in the bottle with the spoon, whichever mean child is able to take, give that one. Suppose you don't have access to ORS sachet, then what you can do? You can prepare it at home. 1 liter bottle, take 1 liter water, 2 finger and 1 thumb, 2 finger and 1 thumb, that much salt you have to take, table salt, 2 finger, 1 thumb. You can use this 2 finger or this 2 finger, 2 finger salt, and you have to put the sugar. How much sugar? The hollow of your palm. The hollow of palm should be get filled with that sugar that you put into the water. So 1 liter water, 1 pint salt and palm hollow sugar. Just stir it well, drink. ORS is ready. So this treatment you can do at home. You can start at home till you reach to the hospital. Any child who is vomiting, then this will be the problem with the ORS solution. Otherwise, in all other situations, like if the child is passing red color stool, lot of mucus, lot of water into the stool, you can start ORS immediately. In some countries, ORS is available as a flavored one, ready to prepare. It's already prepared one, that there is some flavor also, that also you can use. So ORS is a magic, wonderful medications which has treated millions of the people when the cholera pandemic is there. So if the child is able to drink well, if child is not that much sick, if child is not vomiting, ORS to be started immediately whenever the child has a loose stool or the diarrhea. It will not cause any harm because it will provide sugar to the baby, that is the energy. It will provide the salt to the baby, that will helpful for the body's normal routine activities, and it will provide the water so that dehydration will be get corrected. So I hope you all will use the ORS, oral rehydration solution, for the diarrhea, and child might be get self-treated, like you will treat by just giving the liquid. Suppose in case if you don't have ORS at home, then you know how I told that how you can prepare it, but you can use the other solutions also, like the lemon juice you can use, maybe the buttermilk also you can use, curd you can use, any fruit juices you can use without adding extra sugar. Don't use any carbonated drinks like the Pepsi, Coca-Cola. Never use when the child has diarrhea because it will make them worse. When to go to the hospital? If the child has persistent high grade fever more than 39, child is excessive irritable, excessive lethargic, there is a blood in the stool, severe abdominal cramps or persistent vomiting, go to the hospital immediately, meet the doctor immediately, but before going start the ORS. I hope this video must be useful to you and almost all the doubts about the ORS and the diarrhea is cleared. Still, if you have anything, you can put in the comments. I will answer that one and share this video with the other family members. Thank you very much.